Hi everybody, Driving with Dane here, coming to you with a very quick, very helpful informational thing with your new Kia or Hyundai. So, today our test subject is a 2024 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid Limited. This does not only work with this type of car, it'll work really with pretty much any Hyundai or Sonata. So, or any Hyundai or Kia. So, first things first, you'll notice I'm pushing some remote functions on the key, like the lock button, the unlock button. Car's not doing anything. But I know this car has battery charge because I just started it here a moment ago. We have the car unlocked, otherwise you're going to have to use the little hidden key spot here that slides off to open the door. But I'm going to get in with the key, and you're going to notice, close the door, foot on the brake, start button, nothing. So Hyundais have and Kias have a basically a battery disconnect function to protect the 12-volt battery, even in a hybrid like this. So what you're going to want to do is find this button right here that says 12-volt bat reset. So press that. You hear kind of a little click, foot on the brake, and suddenly the car will work. So like I said, your car may act like it has no battery charge, or it isn't, is dead, isn't driving, or isn't ready to drive. But this would be something worth trying before you just panic and try and get it towed to a mechanic or something. Just push this 12-volt battery reset button. Now, if you drive your car a little more often, you probably won't notice this all the time, but if it ever does come up, try this first. And then, of course, if you have issues, reach out to the dealer, or you may need to see about replacing a battery. Let me know if this was helpful. Let me know what other things you'd like to see, tips and tricks wise. And Dane Hansen, or Driving with Dane here. Appreciate your time, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed.